with the mouse and the keys. I think I'm addicted to this big machine. Pressing keys left and right, staying up on the computer all night. I surf the web. I used to watch TV. There's no more need for DVDs. Let's see where I want to go and who I want to know. Connecting people with people using the web 2.0. I'll make a brand new Facebook page, uploading pictures and MP3s, updating my profile. It's all about me. I got 10 windows open on my internet browser. I'm online surfing the web for so many hours. I really should stop Facebooking and finding all my answers by Googling. Wikipedia's alright, but I prefer Twitter. I really should stop following John Ritter. Let's chat online. How about we both get on around 5? MSN, Yahoo, or Skype. Either way, I'm ditching my friends who are riding their bikes. Things definitely aren't how they used to be. All kids do these days is eat and play online. I'm starting to think computer addiction should be a crime.